Today we're going to be removing the left crank from the EFITMENT IC031. In order to get the left crank off, the first thing you're going to have to do is remove the plastic crank cap, which you can do with a flathead Phillips screwdriver and just kind of pop it off like so. You'll see that there's a flange nut located on there, and on this park tool or crank puller you're going to use the silver inside to go ahead and remove that flange nut. It's basically just a socket like you would have in a socket set, but you're going to turn it the other way to remove it. And in order to help keep the cranks from spinning, you're going to want to immobilize them by putting the tension down. But now that you have that off, you flip it over to the black inside of it, you thread that through clockwise by hand. Just thread it through by hand to get it snug. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way just to get it in there firm. Make sure the threads catch. That's probably good right there. Then you're going to slide that lever back over to the socket side, make sure it hooks on, and you're going to turn clockwise. And you'll feel a little resistance, and then you push through that, and you'll see that that will essentially pull the crank right off of the bike. Like so. In order to put it back on, once you've exchanged the crank out, all you do is slide it back onto that middle axle, you put the flange nut back on and tighten everything back down.